What number is this?
This is 19. So the score is
17.
Yeah.
How many did Shane lose? How many did Shane lose? 3?
Time to run out.
Really? Did he let him win on purpose?
One was lucky.
No, seriously, they were.
Probably.
Yeah.
No.
Excuse me, sir.
I just beat him. Let me tell you what I told him. When we left the Moscone job, we went back to the airport again. I looked at him, I said, I'm gonna tell you point blank. I've been watching you come into the game. You're way overweight. You ain't practicing. And it showed at the Cubs. I said, go home and get in shape. And I was playing him an exhibition 2 weeks from then. Yeah, like maybe 2 weeks.
She made the call. No, she made the call.
I told him, I said, if you don't go home, get your game in better shape, I'm going to beat you in the exhibition. What do you think happened?
You beat him.
I beat him.
Almost the way to make the way to win. Almost made the nine.
He's got a lot of money now, that's what happens. I did it one time myself. I had a lot of money at one time, and then I relaxed. You know what I mean? There is no relaxing. The 3, God, you crap. Oh.
Took all my money.
If I leave that 9 there, you're gonna know that beating me soon. Let's play the 9 little spot.
Oh, man.
Not the 9.
Get in the game, 7.
I told him I'd spot it if I'd make the 9.
So it's your shot then.
Still my shot.
That's why never relax.
That much of a jump. Stop that ball go. What an idiot. Oh, boy. Oh, the old backwards cut. You gotta come on this one. Here, I got the safety. Safety valve.
Safe word.
Carrot top.
I can't believe I didn't look at that ball see where it goes.
Yeah, carrot top. No, you know who that reminds me of? It's that cartoon. The Christmas father, son, or whatever it is. Might be before your time. We're watching. We were watching Rudolph the other day. Lauren said, when did that come out? I said, like 1964. It did. 1964.
Right back on the 6. Let's see if he can make that 7 part.
We watched this last night.
Let's see here. Wow, that's crazy. Without scratching.
Yellow stuff.